Hey, good morning class, Mr. Bean here. Okay, so we're going to start doing some online, or make my own personal YouTubes about what we're going to be doing in physics, in honors physics. So what we would have started today would have been Unit 12, the wave nature of light. So we're going to be exploring light and the wave nature of light. Okay, so over here we have so another word for light is to describe it as electromagnetic radiation, and we're going to talk about the major aspects of the electromagnetic spectrum. Okay. So at one end we have what we'll call radio waves. So I'll have radio waves. So here is radio waves. The next major section is what we call microwaves. So this would be microwaves, and this is like a microwave oven that you use in your kitchen. After that, we'll have what's called infrared. We'll say IR, infrared. That's something like snakes use that to sense heat to get their prey. You sit on the couch and you have the remote control that uses infrared. This is an infrared device here. And you know, we use this a lot, infrared. You go to Walmart or somewhere, you break a laser and the door opens up. That's also infrared. Then we have this region which we call visible, the visible region, okay? And we'll discuss that here momentarily. After the visible, we have what's called, actually let's talk about the visible right now. So in the visible, look over here, we have these colors over here. Notice here we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Now, this is a highlighter. I don't have a yellow pin, but what we'll do here is for the spectrum, if you look over here, we have what's called red. So this is infrared. Now this is red, which is visible. Next, we have orange, which is right here. There's orange. Now yellow, I can't use this yellow because it'll mark up the board here, so I'll go ahead and use black here for yellow. So there's yellow. Then we have green. There's green. Next we have blue, which is right here. There's blue. And finally we have violet. Violet. So here is violet. So if light happens to pass through a prism or a spectrum or go through like a rainbow, for example, when it rains, water goes through water and is dispersed. And white light is dispersed into red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, or you can just say Roy G. Biv. Now, there is no indigo. Okay, so it's just Roy G. Biv. After this, over here, we have, I'm going to say UV, okay, ultraviolet A. Then we'll have ultraviolet B. Then at no charge, special here, okay, I'm not going to charge you for this, we have what's called the ozone. The ozone layer, and I'll say it's O3 is ozone. Then we have UVC, X-ray, and then for my cultural heritage, Japanese or Japan, we have gamma rays. Okay, this is where Godzilla comes in. So I'm going to write down here Godzilla. Okay, Godzilla, he has a gamma ray, flame, and nuclear war or nuclear bombs is gamma ray. So this is the entire electromagnetic spectrum. All right, go hit pause, stop.